Another day, another story. The Prosperous Partnership. Once upon a time, in a prosperous kingdom, there lived a wise and just king named George. He was known for his fairness and his ability to resolve conflicts in a peaceful manner. The kingdom prospered under his rule, and people from different walks of life thrived together. One day, a dispute arose between two wealthy merchants, John and Jacob. They both claimed ownership of a valuable piece of land that held great significance for their respective businesses. The land was fertile and ideal for cultivation, making it a highly sought-after property. Unable to reach a resolution on their own, John and Jacob decided to bring their case before King George. They presented their arguments passionately, each claiming their right to the land. The king listened attentively, carefully considering their words. After hearing both sides, the wise king realized that the dispute arose from a misunderstanding. He called for a recess and requested John and Jacob to meet him separately. He spoke to John first and asked him about the importance of the land for his business. John explained how the fertile soil would yield bountiful crops, enabling him to expand his trade and contribute to the kingdom's prosperity. Next, the king met with Jacob and inquired about the significance of the land to his business. Jacob revealed that the land contained a rich deposit of minerals, which he intended to extract and utilize in his thriving mining business. He believed it would bring great wealth to the kingdom. Realizing the potential benefits that both merchants could bring to the kingdom, King George devised a fair and innovative solution. He proposed that John and Jacob become business partners, sharing the land and utilizing its resources collectively. This way, they could combine their expertise and resources to maximize the land's potential and bring greater prosperity to the kingdom. Initially hesitant, John and Jacob eventually recognized the wisdom in the king's decision. They agreed to put aside their differences and embrace this new partnership. Working together, they transformed the disputed land into a flourishing hub of agriculture and mining, benefiting not only themselves but also the kingdom as a whole. The success of their joint venture became inspiration to other merchants and businessmen in the kingdom. The story of John and Jacob spread far and wide, highlighting the importance of collaboration, compromise, and unity for the greater good. It became a timeless lesson in the power of cooperation and how it can lead to prosperity and harmony in any community. Please hit like and subscribe to watch more videos. Please share with your friends and family to spread the positivity. Thanks for watching.